Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on? Ken with Bitcoin Crazy channel on YouTube. All things Bitcoin today, and what is going on with the $10,000 mark. Hey, once again, hey, if it wasn't for you guys, I would not be doing these videos, and I would love if you guys could go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'll have a little thing that pops up with my logo before the end of the video, and that would be awesome. Or please just subscribe. You know how to do it. I really appreciate it. Hey guys, speculation on what is going on in the marketplace and what is causing the Bitcoin to go up to almost $10,000. Kind of crazy to think about it. But we're going to go over real quick what I believe has been causing Bitcoin to get up to the $10,000 mark. And there's a few things, but let's talk about first and foremost, really quick. First and foremost is the fact that mass majority of the population has no idea what Bitcoin is, maybe has heard of it, but as the price of Bitcoin keeps on going up, more and more people are looking into it. Okay? So that's number one, first and foremost. And the people that are actually the biggest proponents of it that are looking into it are millennials. And there's a big group of them. And they're all thirsty for money. Secondly, which is pretty big, is the fact that we have a lot of blockchain forks coming up, hard forks, soft forks, and airdrops coming up on the Bitcoin back. So what you're going to be looking at is if you check out my other video that I posted yesterday, there are three hard forks coming up. One is Super Bitcoin. The other is Bitcoin Plus, and you're going to have to watch the video to see what the third is. But they're all coming up, and if you saw what happened the last time, there was speculation of a fork coming up. You saw what happened to the price, how it flew because anticipation of that fork, and then that fork got canceled. All right. So that's another thing. Now, one of the biggest things is this one. The CME Group, plus a few others, what are hedge fund managing companies, have bought hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. And just like anything else, when there's less and less Bitcoin out there, or of anything out there, whether it's a collectible car or what have you, the fewer of something out there, and with the high demand, the price continues to rise. And so that's what's happening now. You've got this going on. In anticipation of this next week and a half of these companies starting to get listed or put in to be listed on Wall Street as a futures on a futures exchange, the price is going to rocket up. So that's one of the biggest things that is causing this to happen. You put all three of these things together and you have a lot of speculation, and the price is going and going and going. They call it FOMO, fear of missing out. Now, do you have to hold Bitcoin? You don't have to hold Bitcoin, but everything seems to be a derivative thereof, and you do need to start collecting coins. You have to start collecting coins. Now, I have so many different sites out there on my YouTube that you can find that are free, that you can start building these things to work for you for free, and then to start to move these into your wallets, whether they're a wallet on your computer, on your phone, or a hard, tangible wallet like a USB drive that you can put in and pull out so it's not connected to anything. Okay? And there's just so much information on my YouTube site that you can get from this, guys. So that's what is going on. But now to go on to our main story. As I go ahead and share my screen over here, you can see the topic of the day is Western exchanges struggle to push Bitcoin prices over $10,000. Over $10,000 while everyone else in the world can see it's only a matter of time until Bitcoin prices surpass $10,000 a share across the major exchanges. The world's leading cryptocurrency has already done so in Japan and South Korea. That's right. I woke up this morning. It was just about to hit 9,900 and change here in America. The Western exchanges still maintain Bitcoin prices well under. So it's sitting at right now 97.80 a coin. So with multiple all-time high records for Bitcoin in the past few months, it's not surprising to see the trend moving upward. For the intent of all the purpose, the Bitcoin price will surpass $10,000 across all exchanges at some point. So the question is whether that will be today or next month or next year. That's the subject of speculation. That's why I keep on telling everybody, it's not about Bitcoin itself. That is kind of a driving force. But what it's about, guys, is having other coins in speculation of what will happen to those coins. Given the speculation of all these other industries starting to adopt blockchain technology, whether it's the medical field like DentaCoin, whether it's marijuana like cannabis coin or pot or what have you, or manufacturing industries, food industries, health and safety, sanitation industries, you name it, they're starting to adopt. So you can add that up as number 4 reason for the Bitcoin price to start moving. But speculation is this, guys, is start collecting altcoins. And start trading altcoins on the open market, on the exchanges, and start to pick up your Satoshi and build it. But start holding and putting away some of the coins that you think are going to be valuable, that are structured to work in a backbone of different industries that are going to be strong and move forward. So what will happen is, just like the .com did in 2001, when the .com industry came about with the internet, certain strong companies will stay around, coins will stay around, others will start to dwindle out and become a micro coin, whether it's 1,000th of a penny, 10,000ths of a penny, what have you. But millionaires will be made overnight with some of this stuff. You got to be smart on what coins you collect, okay? So with that being said, the speculation is to keep an eye on what's going on with the market. I gave you all the reasons why things are moving and why you should be holding some Bitcoin, not Bitcoin itself, because you're not a multimillionaire. So hold altcoins, hold some Bitcoin sitting around, because as the price moves, so will your portfolio. Not to mention portfolios. We wanted to talk a little bit about different accounts on Wall Street right now, different products on Wall Street. And the biggest one we talked about in one of my other videos, guys, was BTSC. BTSC. Now, I bought it at 8 cents about a month and a half ago. It skyrocketed to like 46 cents yesterday. I sold around 45 cents. Made a pretty penny. So, BTSC, it trades on Wall Street. To the morning, before the morning bell, of 9:30, because it's only open to 9:30. You can only trade from 9:30 to 4 Eastern time. Before the bell, the price was sitting at 35 and change. I bought it this morning again at around 35. So keep an eye on it, because it's already up 2 cents this morning pre-market. Market's going to open at 9:30, ladies and gentlemen. BTSC, Bitcoin Service Inc. Bitcoin Service Inc. You heard it here. Watch my videos for free Satoshi, free coins, free everything. You name it. Bitcoin Crazy channel on YouTube. Keep an eye on it.